Hello everyone, welcome here in Go with Flutter channel. Today I will give you detailed explanation about how to fetch all images which is stored in Firebase Storage. Here we will fetch all images added here in fetch image collection and try to fetch all images at once. So at the end of this video we will get the result like this. So this is how we will get the result. Here I had fetched all the images from fetch image collection, and uh, I had displayed here all the detailed information of each images one by one. So let's begin. Initially, you have to set up all the Firebase configuration in your project regarding Firebase storage, Cloud Firestore, and everything. As soon as you complete all the configuration, you will need to create one collection here, just like I had did fetch image. I had made one collection called fetch image here, or one folder in Firebase storage. After this, I had uploaded images in this folder. And one more thing you need to do here is you will need to edit the rules for Firebase storage. Initially, the rule is like here the value is false, which means no one can read or write data in Firebase storage. So for fetching the data, you will for fetching the data you have to change this variable. uh, you have That's why I had put here true. After completing this, we will fetch data from Firebase storage easily. So in fetch image folder I had added 4 images. Now let's fetch this 4 images in Flutter project. We will begin from loading indicator, just like as soon as you click on Flutter tips 31 here, you will get loading indicator, and thereafter you will get images and all the details. For showing the loading indicator, I had used here is loading variable, bool variable. So during I had called abc function. So in abc function I had used this loading variable. uh, i had uh, I had set this loading variable to true for showing the loading indicator, and as soon sorry and as soon as the data gets loaded, I set this loading variable to false. So when is loading variable is true, I had used circular process indicator and written down their text called fetching image. uh, uh, so when we click this button, we will get loading indicator and fetching image text. So this is the part of loading. As soon as the data gets loaded, the loading variable is set to false, and when loading variable is false, we will show the respective widget, right? So respective widget. So for fetching the data from Firebase storage, we will use Firebase storage dot instance method, and thereafter we will use for a reference for calling the particular folder. So the folder name is fetch image. So I here folder name is fetch image. So we will fetch all the images from fetch image collection or folder by using dot list all method. So as soon as the data gets fetched, all data get fetched, it is stored in data variable of list result type. By using for loop, we had stored each URL, image URL in image URL list, and uh, uh, each list in list variable. So this is of reference type, and image URL is of string type. So in string type, we had used here var a equals to await item dot get download URL, which will helps to take the download URL of particular image. So as soon as we get download URL in variable a, we will add that URL in image URL list, and the particular item in list variable. So this for loop will add every URL in image URL list and every item in list variable. After that, we will move to Carousel slider. Carousel slider is a package you will get from pub.dev for showing the images like in this format. So I'm not explaining you about how to use carousel slider. This is just a simple demonstration to make it look better. We will go on implementation part directly. So here I am showing you all the images, all the and every image URL is in the list image URL. So I had mapped here image URL list, and by using image.network visit, we will show every images in carousel slider. Now moving to the detail part. In the detail part, like we had fetched all the item details in list variable. So uh, here we will gonna populate list variable, like for showing the full path of every item we will use full path, for showing the name we will use dot name method, and for showing the URL we will use this image URL list. So like this way we will get particular image for like the link for that image one, thereafter file path, and thereafter name is 1.png. So here is 1.png, another name is 2.png, flutter tips 1, untitled design 1. So like the same way we will get the name 2.png, flutter tips 1, and untitled image 1, and like this way we will fetch all images in a particular folder which is stored in Firebase storage. So this is all about how we can fetch images from Firebase. The link for the code is in the description given below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.